88. Yeah. I just want to be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl. It's the way you give your hand and your stylish clothes you wear. When you walk into the room, all my partners stop and stare at you. The bitches wanna push you up. It's the tattoo on your back and the brand on your back. It don't match your high heels. I can't help this girl is swag's the truth. Hey friends, we're back, and I was taking a little break. We got a couple of minutes before we gotta go, and I'm sorry, we're taking a little break because we right before we get ready to go pick up our next order, which is our catering order. Nothing really came in, and it's like that sometimes with Instacart. Nothing really came in, but that's okay. We move. You find things like this to do within your time, like go to the coffee shop and come here. So I just showed you guys some clips, and you probably talking about, girl, why are we at a hotel? Well, the reason why I brought you guys to this hotel is because not too long ago, this hotel was home for me. If you, I have a whole lot of new subscribers, so you may not know, but before all of this, I was homeless, and I had to figure out what I was going to do. All right, and I had enough money to get a hotel for a couple of days, and to be honest with you, I really didn't have enough money. My money came from a friends and family discount. I knew someone who had worked at the hotel at that time, and I was able to get a friends and family rate, and that's how I was able to stay here for a whole week. So I picked this hotel because of the views. During that time, I was getting up walking every day. Every day I was hit my 10,000 steps before 10 o'clock in the morning. And so this gave me peace. It would be dark, 5 o'clock. I didn't care. So coming back through here, and I showed you guys the hotel room and everything, like where it all started and how it all changed me, because it humbled me. Like, no matter if you got 2 degrees or whatever, and you could still lose everything. And my reason for talking about this and even bringing this back up is because the times that we're living in right now. I'm sorry for the wind, y'all. I hope it's not too bad. I hope my mic is making it better. The times that we're living in, nothing is promised. I don't care how good your life is nothing is promised. At some point, even if you work for yourself, if you're working for yourself, you have the people who are your consumers or your customers. If you're working for somebody, you have corporate who is over your decision. You really don't have a decision of what goes on in your life, especially with things that's going on. So you have to appreciate what you have while trying to figure out, if things change, how do I adjust? So instead of me, before I lived in my car and was homeless, I came here and I humbled. I cried some mornings, and then I came out and I seen what my life could be. And now I'm choosing to come back to this spot. Like, this is like a 180, and I love it. And to think, these houses, one day, it's gonna be my backyard. One of these got my name on it. Got Kaye Lanhi written all over it. Look at this. They got canoes. Like, in their backyard, you can literally put... Now, my ass to be scared to get in this water. I ain't gonna lie, because I don't know how deep it is. But somebody get in it with me, I'm gonna do it. But just to be... It's a Whole Foods over there in the corner. Y'all know I already started eating healthy and stuff. So, it's just... Man, this is my sanctuary. I done bought so many people out here. This is peace. I wonder if they still come out here every now and then. And then this thing wraps all the way around, man. I used to run this thing. Y'all, don't stop dreaming. Don't give up, man. Don't give up. So many of y'all came in the comments and told me, Kay, don't close my YouTube channel down. And, you know, it was a moment of weakness. And I'm sorry for that. I'm human. I got y'all. I heard y'all. I hear y'all. And I appreciate y'all. This is life, baby. This is next steps. I can't wait to bring y'all along with me. I can't wait till we look back at this video and say, remember when I said this is going to be my what you call it? And now look. This is going to be one of my properties. My goal is to put my mama in a situation where she ain't got to worry about nothing but waking up. Hell, I'm going to help her do that. Mama, let's get something to eat. Let's go here. Let me show my mama parts of the world, man. I got the opportunity that most people at my age don't have, and that's to have my mom, and I just want to show her. I appreciate her, and I love her. It ain't been perfect, because believe it or not, y'all, it was times where we didn't get along. We didn't. But she prayed for me. She prayed for us. And that's why we here. So, y'all, we got to get up and go get this catering order. This is just where I like to come chill too. I come here more than anything just to, because for one, it's a central location for me to work a lot of stores. And for two, it's just to take it all in. And it just made me realize that what I'm asking the Lord for is too little, man. It's too little. It's too little. Because I don't just want one of these. I want to own the whole fucking building. I want to own the whole building, and I can, and I will. I want to own the whole building. Man, if I can remember Ed and Kay, I want to put how much these go for. They bad. They bad like Michael, baby. They bad. I don't know how I feel about people walking around, though, having access to my backyard, but I love this, to be able to open up my curtains and blinds. They ain't even got their blinds closed. To be able to see this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. So, let's get on up out of here and let's go to my next stop. Y'all want to go to this catering gig and see how it works? The reason why I'm taking y'all and showing y'all this stuff too is because just in case somebody's scared to do it, and just in case somebody want to do it but scared, don't be. Only thing you should be scared of not taking up these opportunities that you have. Sign up for these gig apps, y'all. All of them. Sign up for all of them. Favor, Amazon Flex, Instacart. Sign up for them all, because you never know when you might need them. Like I said, you don't be above thinking, I can never do that. It's gonna be this. No, think about the positive. I can make it. I can feed my kids. I can get my medicine. I can do whatever I need to do. That's what you need to be thinking about, not the job itself. Because people tend to judge what they don't understand. And you may not understand it now, but you may be put in a position where you do have to do it. And that, at least you don't have to be on a waiting list or anything. At that point, you're already ready. All you gotta do is turn it on. So, again, we out. Let's go pick up this catering order. All right, y'all, we are here. And we are at we're picking up our catering order. I'm checking in real quick. Let them know we are here. Hopefully it's not a lot, but whatever. The more, the better, I guess. It looks like this spot is new. So let me show you guys the spot. Waiting on you, baby. Hey y'all, I told them we made it to Lydia's to pick up this catering order, but I have some, what's your name?
Javion.
Javion is going to tell you guys more about this establishment and why you should come if you're in Houston.
Lydia's is a catering and restaurant over here in Sugarland, 939 Eldridge, Sugarland. And we opened up about 2 years ago to do catering, but we recently just opened up about 2 months ago to serve food. We serve food here on our steam table. We have oxtails, we have catfish, we have yams, pork chops, smothered pork chops, barbecue ribs, smothered ribs, the whole 9 yards. Everything is pretty good, Southern soul food, good food here. We even do catering events. We also do private events, so if you have like a birthday or something you want to come in and do. And it's owned by Miss Lydia Harris herself, who is the head chef here. And she's been doing this restaurant thing for about her whole life. So
wow.
We in here and we just want everybody to come in because we freshly opened up and come in and enjoy the food.
Thank you. So I don't know if I told y'all or not, but yeah, this one the outfit that I had laid out to wear. Baby, the arms pits was out, and I realized that I need a wax appointment scheduled. So yeah, bringing out the armpits just wasn't gonna be the move. So there's that, and we're probably gonna get them. We're gonna get everything taken care of next week because somebody's birthday next week. So there's that. So yeah, that's why we're in a t-shirt. Something to cover the arms, and ain't nobody gotta know, but y'all. Anyway, I'm still driving. Hopefully we'll get there before 5 o'clock traffic. Jesus. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. We are in the parking garage. Did I tell y'all where we was going? Probably not. You probably can't hear me because these damn pipes loud as hell, so I'll just show y'all. She gets down just like she's not only shots, this bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away.
What's the name again?
I told you one go.
Okay, we got to think of the Johnson.
I told you one go remember.
Anything else for you for right now?
The Mexican martini. What is it? Mexican girl?
Martini, yeah.
Yeah, that. The Mexican martini.
Do you want anything on the rim?
Tahini.
There I go. And you worried about stuff.
Baby, I thought I left y'all. Talk about nerves was bad for all of 27 seconds. Woo, Jesus. Anyway, yeah, no, I just got the phone with Soul Hood, who's in the hood playing dominoes, and that's my domino partner. It's hump day. We both gotta go into work tomorrow. So I'm like, I told him, don't embarrass me out there. Don't embarrass me by losing because you don't have your real domino partner. So I told him I might slide through, but let's just do the math. Because math is involved. Like, what time is it? Girl, what time? Let's see what time it is. Okay, so it's still early. It's 6:18. He said a couple of hours, so I'm thinking 8 something because he got to be to work early too. I got to be to work in like 11 hours and 45 minutes, but who's counting? So I'm like, Girl, first of all, where is our phone? Right here. Do we go out there to the hood where it is BYOB, play dominoes, and probably won't get home until tomorrow? Well, it's gonna feel like tomorrow. Like, where's this going? Or do we go home and give the people what they want? Decisions. I don't know. Whoa! What am I missing out on? Girl, hold on. Do I got some glasses in here? Hold on, please, and thank you. Bro, had I been paying attention to this, I would. I'm so mad. Ain't no way I can do both of them, all three of these before 7 o'clock. I'm out here playing oh, I'm annoyed. Anyway, I had a special and I missed it. I kind of seen it before I came. I just didn't know what it was because I ain't had my real glasses on. And now that we got our real glasses on, really, I just feel like I threw money away. Anyway, let me figure out what I'm going to do. Either way, y'all going. So, let go.
Take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. No. I was looking for affection, so I decided to go. Swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection.